first year civil student at NIT Raipur. Today I am here with this self introspection video. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our communication skills professor Dr. Anup Kumar Tiwari sir, who guided me through a project and provided me a golden opportunity. I believe I am using my time wisely but with room for improvement. My priorities are clear: excelling in my studies, maintaining good health, and nurturing relationship with family and friends. I spend most of my day focused on academics, which align with my goal of building a strong career foundation. However, I sometimes get sidetracked by distraction like social media, which eats into my productivity. I use tools like to-do list and time blocking to manage tasks, but I occasionally procrastinate on less enjoyable tasks, leaving me feeling overwhelmed later. I ensure I balance work with rest, taking breaks to recharge, but I could improve by incorporating more structured relaxation times. Long term, my activities are aligned with my goal, but I sometimes prioritize short term satisfaction over long term gains. For example, I might spend too much time on entertainment instead of skill building. To improve, I plan to reduce distraction, set clear daily priorities, and allocate more time to personal development. Overall, I am on the right track, but small adjustment will help me my time more effectively and achieve my goals faster. I believe I am generally mindful of the blessings in my life, but upon reflection, I realize there are areas where I might be taking things for granted. In relationships, I deeply value my family and friends, but I sometimes forget to express my gratitude explicitly. I assume they know how much they mean to me, but I could make more efforts to show appreciation through small gesture or heartfelt conversation. When it comes to health, I am fortunate to be physically and mentally well, but occasionally neglect self-care. I skip workouts or eat unhealthy food, assuming my health will remain stable without consistent effort. This is area where I need to more proactive and grateful for well-being I currently enjoy. In terms of work and education, I am grateful for the opportunities I have, but I sometimes take them for granted. For example, I might procrastinate or complain about challenges instead of recognizing how privileged I am to have access to quality education and resources. And I need to remind myself of the effort required to make the most of these opportunities. Regarding material possessions, I am aware of the privilege I have, but I sometimes focus on what I lack rather than appreciating what I already own. For instances, I might desire the latest gadgets without being thankful for the functional ones I already have. Reflecting on my recent behavior, I notice moments where I have overlooked the value of these aspects. To improve, I plan to practice gratitude daily. Whether through pursuing to acknowledge the good in my life, I will also seek feedback from loved ones to gain an outside perspective on areas I might be overlooking. I believe I generally maintain a healthy perspective, but there are areas where I can improve. In terms of mindset, I strive to stay open-minded and optimistic. I enjoy learning from new experience and people, and I try to approach challenges with a balanced view, acknowledging difficulties while remaining hopeful for positive outcome. However, I sometimes struggle with overthinking, which can cloud my optimism. I am working on staying grounded and focusing on solution rather than dwelling on problems. When it comes to handling setbacks, I view failure as opportunity to learn and grow. I understand that mistakes are part of the journey and I try to analyze what went wrong to improve. That said, I occasionally feel discouraged when things do not go as planned. I am learning to build resilience by reminding myself that setbacks are temporary and that persistence pays off. In relationships, I aim to be empathetic and understanding. I value others' perspective and try to listen without judgment. However, I sometimes catch myself comparing my progress to others, which can lead to unnecessary self doubt. I am working on focusing on my own journey and celebrating others' success without feeling inadequate. My self talk is generally positive, but I can be overly critical of myself at times. I am learning to speak to myself with kindness and patience, acknowledging my strength while recognizing area for growth. This balance helps me stay motivated without being too hard on myself. Regarding control and acceptance, I focus on what I can influence and try to let go of what's beyond my control. However, I sometimes struggle with accepting situations that do not align with my expectations. I am practicing mindfulness to better accept reality and channel my energy into productive action. I believe I am mostly living true to myself, but there are areas where I can improve. My core values, honesty, growth, and kindness, guide my decisions, and I strive to align my action with these principles. However, I sometimes catch myself making choices influenced by external expectations like societal or family pressures, rather than my own desire. For example, I occasionally prioritize what others expect to me and over what truly fulfills me. In relationship, I feel comfortable being myself around close friends and family, but I sometimes struggle to express my true thoughts in large groups or new environments. I am working on being more authentic in all settings, even if it feels uncomfortable. My daily routine reflects my values to some extent, but I often get caught in tasks that do not feel meaningful. I am learning to prioritize activities that align my passion and purposes, like pursuing hobbies and personal growth. I listen to myself and practice self compassion, but I be overly critical of myself at times. I am working on accepting my imperfection and embarrassing growth that feels right for me. Overall, I am living authentically, but I need to realign my action with my true self more consistently. By focusing on my values and passion, I can live more fulfilling and genuine life. I would say I mostly wake up ready to take on the day, but there's room for improvement. Most morning I wake up feeling rested thanks to a consistent sleep routine and 7 to 8 hours of sleep. However, there are days when I feel groggy and sluggish, especially if I stay up later or don't feel follow my bed routine. Mentally, I usually wake up with a clear mind and sense of purpose. I set daily goals, look forward to achieve them, which help me stay motivated. However, on busier day or when I am worried, I sometimes wake up feeling overwhelmed or anxious about the task ahead. My morning routine includes light exercise and healthy breakfast, which help me feel physically and mentally prepared. Still, I occasionally rush through morning, leaving me feeling less focused. I am working on waking up earlier to avoid this. Emotionally, I feel balanced most morning, but I sometimes carry stress from the previous day. To improve, I have started practicing gratitude and mindfulness, which help me start the day with a positive mindset. Overall, I am doing well, but I can improve by maintaining a stricter sleep schedule, reducing stress, and giving myself more time in the morning to set a calm and purposeful tone of the day. I have noticed that negative thoughts often creep into my mind before I fall asleep. When I reflect on my pre sleep routine, I realize I tend to replay stressful events from the day. I like work deadlines, unresolved conflicts, or personal insecurities. My body feels tense and my mind rushes with what ifs. or regret, making it hard to relax. Sometimes I fixate on future worries like upcoming responsibilities or financial concern, which leaves me feeling anxious rather than rested. I have also observed that these negative thoughts disrupt my sleep. There are nights when I struggle to fall asleep, and even what I do, I wake up feeling mentally drained. Common staggers into over analyzing past conversation or imagining worst case scenario. While I occasionally reflect to redirect my thoughts by focusing on positive moments or practicing deep breathing, it's not always easy to break this cycle. Recognizing this pattern is the first step moving forward. I want to incorporate mindfulness or gratitude journaling before bed to shift my mindset. By addressing these negative thoughts proactively, I can reflect a calmer mental space and improve my sleep quality. Small changes like limiting screen time or setting aside worry time earlier in the day might also help. I realize that while I care deeply about my relationships, I may not always put in the consistent effort they deserve. I make time for family and friends, but sometimes work or personal stress takes priority, and I end up being physically present but mentally distracted. I do check in with loved ones, but I often rely on them to initiate plans or conversations, which shows a lack of proactive effort. When it comes to emotional support, I try to be there during tough times, but I sometimes struggle with expressing empathy or offering the right word of comfort. I also noticed that I don't always show appreciation openly. Though I feel grateful, I forget to say it. In conflicts, I tend to avoid confrontation rather than addressing issues constructively, which can reflect distance over time. On the positive side, I do a small act of kindness like helping friends when they need it or remembering important dates. But I know I could be more intentional, listening more, compromising better, and making relationships a daily priority, not just when it's convenient. Moving forward, I want to communicate more openly, express gratitude regularly, and invest more energy into nurturing long term bonds. Relationships thrive on effort, and I am committed to doing better.